Hi guys, so today we're going to change this Piston Birmingham bath shower mixer, and we're going to do it all above the top of the bath, so no getting underneath the bath, none of the silly pipe work. Basically the reason why we're doing it this way is, as you can see, this bath is tiled in, so we can basically take this, we'll get a new tap, and we're going to take it off at the back here and at the back there, get the new tap and literally put it on. The reason this is being changed is this is all damaged. It's all leaking out of the diverter valve, and it's just basically coming out at the bottom and the top as well. So I'll get this changed, and this is going to be a 5-minute job. Make sure you use the washers that come with the new tap, and literally all you need to do is put them inside of these. Get the new shower rest, and again with the washer, just stick it inside and put it on the top. With the new shower hose, this bit will go onto the side of here where the shower fits on this one. Again, 2 washers. Put it inside and put it on. Now that's as simple as it comes. It's basically a 5-minute job you can do as a DIY project. Turn the water off, change it over, give it a clean up after, job's done. You want to see more like this, remember, like, subscribe, give us a like, give us a comment, and I'll see you again soon.